Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat friend request accept problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi connection. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Snapchat application. Tap on Snapchat. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Open Play Store and update your Snapchat application latest version. Step 4. Open your Snapchat application. Tap on avatar option or profile picture. Tap on setting. Scroll down. Tap on contact me. You can select friend and contact option. Turn on friend and contact option. You can follow all of the steps to fix Snapchat friend request accept problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.